Morning everyone, I am giving a small presentation on XML. XML means extensible markup language. Here, why we are using the XML means HTML is not support for the large applications. That is why we are using the XML. HTML is used for the presentation and XML is used for the to store the data. Here, what is XML? The first point is designed for the web documents which allow the designers to create their own customized tags. The user can create own customized tags. Here, second point, XML is similar to HTML. That is, XML contains various tags, but those are not predefined tags. That is not predefined. That is not generated by the programming language. But here in the XML, the user can create his or her own tags. Okay. Then third point is difference between the HTML and XML is that HTML is designed for presentation of data on web pages, whereas XML is designed to store the data. Here, HTML is designed for the presentation of data on web pages. Here, we are writing by HTML is written by the predefined tags, and it is show the output on the client browser location, whereas XML is designed to store the data. Here, the definition of the XML, extensible markup language, is used to describe the data. The XML stands is a flexible way to create the information formats and electronically share structured data via public internet as well as corporate networks. Here, see, the XML means it can route the path from root node to leaf node. Here, what are the disadvantages of HTML? The first point is no formal validation, and next one is don't support systematic search, and third one is the based on the appearance, not on content, cannot do much better for complex documents. So HTML is not suitable for large and complex data. Here, that is why HTML is not suitable for large and complex data. That is why we need XML. Then, importance of XML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and it is a standard format to display the unstructured web data for human reading. Unstructured web data for human reading, because we are writing the HTML code in predefined tags. And then second point is current generation web need a more declarative format for data, trying to describe the meaning of data using extended tags. And the third point is database concepts commands are more flexible data interchange format. And fifth point, XML spans over from unstructured documents to structured data. And sixth point, XML is a universal format to represent a semi-structured or structured web data for machine processing. And last point is XML allows you to structure the information with the tags. These are the importance for the XML. And here, what are the technologies we are using in the XML itself? Okay. SGML. SGML means a standard general markup language. Okay. Here, it is used for the facilitate management and markup of variety of documents we are using here. And then XSL. X means extensible style sheet language. Is a combination of XML document, XML program, and style sheets, CSS, style sheets. And again, we are using here DOM. DOM means document object model. Okay, we'll discuss in the later itself. And SAX SAX means Simple Application Program Interface for XML, predefined application package interfaces. And what is XSLT? X means Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformations. T means Transformations. Provides the rules for transformation from one XML to another XML. And so means Simple Object Access Protocol is a communication protocol for internet to XML. And here XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a metadata and also called as self-describing data. XML influences how we process, view, transport, or manage the data. XML is simplified version of HTML. HTML is Standard General Markup Language. HTML is used for visual presentation and browser knows all the tags that are defined in HTML page. Here, what are the tags we are using to present the web page by using HTML code? The user knows which tag is uh, represents the output. If you give the tag title less than title greater than and it give the name GIT and title, it will show the title in the output screen. Like that, by using the tag, we can identify in the HTML itself. Web browsers know how to separate the content from markup in HTML page. Here, the web browsers know how to separate the content from the markup in HTML page. Significant. In HTML, we cannot add any new tag and no error processing for markups. These are addressed by the XML. HTML, we cannot add user tags to the HTML because it is not supported because all tags in the HTML are predefined. While coming to the XML, we can use any user tags, his or her tags, own tags. What are the features in XML and benefits? Here, interoperability. Interoperability means XML format can be operated on any machine. Self-describing. XML is self-describing because tag naming is user dependent. And third point is extensibility. XML. The name itself specifies the extensible. Means when writing the code on the notepad itself, and we have to save it as file name.xml. Giving the file name .xml. We have to save the file by using .xml. And benefits. Extensible. XML is extensible because user can define his or her own tags. That is the biggest advantage in the XML. And next one, structured. XML is structured because the tag elements are arranged in logical relationship way. And third one, because any data, unstructured data, can be converted into structured data by using XML. Validating. XML is validated with the help of DKDB or XML schema. DKDB means document type definition or XML